Do you have some overripe bananas and you want to make banana bread, but it's just way too hot to turn the oven on? Well, I've got the perfect recipe for you. Let's get started. First up, we're going to go ahead and grab a microwave-safe small bowl or mug, and then we'll place in our overripe banana. And then what we want to do is go ahead and give that a really good smash so it's nice and creamy. Now we'll add in 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and about 1 tablespoon of melted butter or vegetable oil. Now lastly, we'll go ahead and add in just a splash of vanilla. Now it's time to just mix this all up until it's nice and creamy. What's great about this recipe is it's egg-free, it takes just under 5 minutes, and it's a perfect little treat you can make just for yourself. Now, once we have this all mixed up, you can go ahead and add in any toppings you like, nuts, chocolate chips, and that's what we're using is just some little chocolate chips, and then we'll go ahead and mix that up. And now the best part, all you need to do now is just microwave for about 2 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. And now you can top it with some fresh bananas, and now it's ready to serve and enjoy. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious, and it's perfect for these hot summer days. Full recipe is in the description below, and if you like this video or if you make this recipe, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See ya!